Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're exploring the stylish and efficient solar lantern outdoor lights, a perfect blend of modern and classic design that adds elegance to any outdoor space with its real clear glass and high-quality metal construction. These lanterns provide a warm ambient glow at night without the hassle of turning them on or off, thanks to their solar-powered operation that charges during the day and automatically lights up at night. Built to withstand the elements with an IP65 waterproof rating, these lanterns are perfect for any weather, be it rain, heat, frost, or snow, ensuring durability and longevity. Installation is a breeze with no wiring required. Simply use the included screws and brackets to mount them on any exterior wall or wooden fence, or hang them on hooks for versatile placement. Not only do these lanterns save on electricity costs, but they also offer a generous working time of 8 to 10 hours, depending on the sunlight received during the day. Whether you're looking to illuminate your porch, fence, garden, or even a chicken coop, these lanterns are a versatile and stylish addition to any outdoor setting. So, enhance your outdoor ambiance with these solar lanterns and enjoy the perfect blend of style, functionality, and eco-friendliness. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.